Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. It's almost time to clock in to work. We are looking at the cash Swiss tonight, and I'm just checking my situation here. I got my trade set for 3 minutes. We are at 1%, and the cash Swiss is currently at a 92% payout, so we are locked and loaded. So as you see, we got a range going here, and this is actually a beauty. What has happened? Look at the history is. See, we trended. Oh, I just messed up the range. We trended down into this. Then we had a. Which one did I move? The top one? Yeah, I moved the top one by accident. I just don't know how to figure out how to move it again. Hold on, hold on. Well, I guess we can start from scratch so you can see. I'm just gonna delete both of them. Put a new one, put two new ones on. But yeah, we trended down into this area. So let's say here's the bottom. I think we're trying to break out the top right now. Hold on, I gotta make my screen bigger so I can get this right. Top is right here. We're touching it right now. Okay. So anyway, we trended down into it. So we've already had a trend down, trend break, retest the new low. We've went into the range, so we're in play. If we just look at the day chart, coming off the lows, nothing but room up to run tonight. New day just kicked in, so this could just be an up day. Same thing on 4 hours, looking beautiful. Nothing to way up here. And on the hour, again, we're seeing strength. When we break out of here, we're gone. It's about to try to break out right now. So with all that being in place, we just broke out. What we are looking for is our breakout pullback entry. So we'll wait, see what happens here. See if we get another move higher, and then we want pullback, preferably touch the range, and then another candle heading out. And we'll get our first trade of the night, which would be a breakout pullback entry. See, we traded down into this. Been ranging for a while. The longer you're in the range, the better. Kind of gives you more proof that we're going to break out. Okay. I can't take this though. Although that's pretty nice. That's a beautiful signal candle. But that's not the trade. That's not a breakout pullback. This is just a clean break. This is just a beautiful breakout. So hopefully we will get our entry, or maybe we get that's 3 candles in a row. We could get a rally base rally here too. So either I take that back. It looks like we kind of already had the rally base rally right here. So here's another pullback. Typically you want the candle to stay above the range that it broke out of. Gives you evidence that we can't go any lower. We're going to stay out and keep moving higher. The EMA is currently pointing straight up. All signs are looking good so far. So we had to break out. That's the pullback. Whoa, man. See that stem is telling the story. Buyer strength, buyer strength. This thing, so the next candle up, that may be off to the races. Yeah, we want this to close closer to the range bottom. I wouldn't mind for this one to break lower first, just like it's doing, and then give us a beautiful signal candle up. I'll have to go with it if that's the case. Or if this closes red, then the next one comes up. That'd be a nice entry also. Either way, it looks like we're about to get an entry. Looks like the cash Swiss definitely wants to go higher tonight. Here we go. And this thing may be off to the races. This candle keeps coming and clears this stem here, I'll have to go. Let me get prepared. I'm in. I normally like to only do that with 10 seconds left, but this candle's looking so strong, I think I'm gonna take the ride. Come on, take us on a ride, take us on a ride. Okay, it did not do it out. Got a great entry, and we'll see. Again, it's a 3-minute trade, so we got 3 candles to get through. So this trade is looking good so far. It's a classic breakout pullback. We had all that history behind us of the trend down, trend break, retest a new low range, breakout. This is a perfect setup so far. "45 seconds. "20 seconds. This is a beautiful win here. So this would be the first win of the night. And we need 2 more to complete the cycle. And it looks like we're gonna have a good trend here to do it on. This trend is already looking beautiful. This thing is running. It's running wonderfully already. EMA straight up. You know, this was almost 2 rally-based rallies in a row. So we'll see what we get next. I'll pause here. I don't want the video to get too long this time, and we'll see if we get another setup here. Should get something nice, hopefully. Again, let's go check out the day chart now. Let's see. As you see, we've cleared this, so there's nothing until we get up here to this EMA. And on the 4-hour, same deal. It's nothing. I mean, we could have a nice run here tonight. Bar cleared out of here, nothing. So this is the type of situation you're looking for right here. Yep, we got a runner, people. We got a runner. I'll be back, see what we see next. So at this point, we just need some type of pullback. It may just make like maybe 2 candles back, like this one, 1, 2, and then a run up. This thing is looking really strong, so we'll see what type of entry we get. 2 candles back and then a go, so we're up a trade, so we can be a little aggressive here. You know, we can be a little aggressive. I wouldn't go into these highs or anything, but, and again, these aren't actually the highs because we've been trending down. We trended down into this, so the first area of possible resistance is here. But So we could pull back when we get to this area. This thing is very strong right now. So again, the best entries are something close off the EMA. I mean, normally we would have had a pull, still got a pullback right now. This thing is, we caught one. We caught one tonight. Okay, so we're finally getting a little pullback, but man, it's so weak. So weak, but I'm not gonna take this. I'm not gonna go into the highs. I'm gonna show some patience, and we need a little pullback to the EMA. I mean, but this thing looks like it wants to just, man, looks like it wants to run. But I'm not gonna be that aggressive. I'm gonna wait. Although I want to go right now, I'll be honest. But I'm gonna wait. Pull back. Yeah, give me some stem, and thank you. Make me wait. That helps. You know, if it had closed up here, I would have been conflicted. But now that it pulled back some, that helps out a lot. But now if this one closed above here, I have to be aggressive on that. But I'd rather it pull back a little bit more, let the EMA catch up, give us a little better entry. Closer to the EMA, the better. The EMA acts as a magnet, if you don't know. Prices pull away from it, but it's going to pull back. And it's going to pull back, preferably to the EMA, but don't break it, but just come down and touch it, and then you get a good entry. So here we go. We're getting a little pullback here. Notice how small these candles are, though. This last big one, I mean, these three can fit inside here. So we have a lot of buy pressure going right now. There's a lot of buy pressure going right now. But notice now we got dojis, okay? So what's happening is it's a small congestion in here. It's real small. So what you want in this situation is a counter trend breakout out of this congestion back to the EMA. That's probably gonna be our next setup. So this candle is trying to make the counter trend breakout. It got lower than this stem, so it in a way it did, but hopefully the next candle will really come down. And then we just want to see some rejection and a beautiful candle up, and we'll take it. So I want this candle actually to come down, get lower than this one. Really break out, break out counter trend, get closer to my EMA. And then we'll wait for a good signal candle to resume this trend. My guess is we're going to get at least 2 legs back. That's kind of 1, 2, but this is so small. But I really see this just as a small range. I called it congestion earlier. It's a small range, but you want a counter trend breakout. So you want people who trade counter trend and who think the run is over. We want them to push prices down here, then we'll get in to continue the trend. Because we know that this trend is just starting because of the market cycle that we are aware of. See, this is fool's gold right here, possibly. See how it kind of pushed up, seemed like it's making like a nice signal candle, but see, it didn't clear these highs. So I'm not going on that. Again, what I want is to enter nearer to the EMA. Now, this candle is intriguing me. If it takes off, really takes off, closes well above here. Didn't do it. Still gotta wait. But this one is moving. I'm gonna go. We up a trade. We can be a little aggressive here. Kind of went kind of early though. I might have trapped us. Come on, don't do it out. Don't do it out. Oh, don't do it out. I trapped us. I went way too soon on that candle. Like I said, I like to go in the last 10 seconds. See what the last momentum is. This one, the last momentum is not good. I trapped us. Now we're in trouble. I don't see us winning this trade. We could, but I don't foresee it. I trapped us. Might have gave one back tonight. Again, what was I saying? I was saying to wait till it came back to the EMA. What do? Entered going into the highs. What did I do? Entered early going into the highs. I mean, 2 mistakes. Got a minute 32, and it ain't, like I said, it ain't, you know. We need this candle to at least close green to even have a shot at it. Just did not. So I'm caught in a range, and I entered at the top of it, the very top of it. Now, if this candle here, you know, handle its business. If it handles business, come on, break new high, break new high. Come on, push out. We might. It might be our night. It might be our night. 28 seconds. Take us on a ride. Take us on a ride. When this candle closes, if this candle closes strong, I'm gonna enter again, because this was actually the breakout candle. But it has to close up. I mean, we gotta win first of all. Come on. Oh, don't dud out. Take us on a ride. If this candle, okay, we're gonna see if we can finish the night right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got the other win in the bag, and this is for all the marbles here. Come on, Cass Swiss. Be legendary tonight. Be legendary tonight. Be legendary tonight. Come on, push up. Many times when you break out of a small range, you know, you get a nice little run. Come on, close up there. Close on your top. Close on your top. Take us on a ride. Take us on a ride. Good close. We have to take it. I mean, we're in profit. We'll take it. We got a minute to go. Ooh, that's how I want to do. 38 seconds. Let's go. $17 seconds to hold on for the cycle. Get a new candle. 10 seconds. Don't let this new candle do us dirty. 8, 7, 6. Don't do us dirty, candle. This is the night. Good, quick night. Good, quick night. I'm done. I'm done. That's a cycle. This is episode 3 of Price Action Trading with JD. And this is a quick night. You know, the other videos were an hour long and an hour and 30 minutes. Tonight we finished in 20 minutes. And we just caught a runner. This trade here almost got us, but it worked out. Worked out beautiful. And when it worked out, that gave me the confidence to go again here, just knowing that we had the momentum. Look at the EMA, point straight up. Great trading. This trade was a little shaky, but we had the breakout pullback entry, and then we had the range. We broke out the range, and we really took that. And then once we knew we had strength, we just rode the momentum. So that's a good night. So after the last few days of trading, let's see where we let's look at well, we had a perfect night. Let's check that out real quick. This was the first night we had a perfect night. Quick and easy. 4 trades, 100%. Good night. That's a good night. Yesterday we traded at 75%. Today we got it up to 100. So we've been doing some good trading. So again, I'm using Pocket Option as my broker. I'll put a link in the description. Also, the course is going to be coming out in just a few days. If you want to learn how to price action trade like this, I have a course that's gonna give you the information. I've been giving it out to people just to get some good just to get feedback, and the responses have been overwhelming. Of people say they love the course. It's simple. They can understand it. They have something to practice now, and so I'm just overjoyed that the course I know the course has value, but I'm overjoyed at the response I'm getting from those people who have taken the course already and are ecstatic at the value that it gave them, and they really feel like they have a career now in trading. They have hope, and they will be able to start winning. And so that's my desire for everybody who's following me on YouTube, that I'm able to show you a way that's simple and easy to trade the markets and make money. This is a great trend right here. I'm tempted to just keep trading, but I'm gonna call it a night. So since this is the last kind of video in this trilogy, I was gonna do 3 trading days this week and show everybody exactly what I do. I thought it's only right to see the final results, right? I mean, so guys don't have to go through the videos and try to count it up. We ended up taking 20 trades on the dot, so we got a great number to do some math on. And as you see, I lost 4 times. That's 16 out of 20. That is 80%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, 20 trades. I lost 4. That's 16 out of 20. It's 80%. That's price action trading. So you see what's possible with price action trading, and we're just gonna keep going. I mean, you guys see the process. And you know what? I'm about to drop the course. Forget it. You know what? I don't know what I was going to kind of wait and get some more feedback, but actually I've had enough feedback. The proof is in the pudding. This is 16 out of 20. This is 80%. It wasn't hard. You see how easy today was. I'm gonna drop the course. When this video is over, I'm gonna put the link and everything to the course at the end of this video and in the description. I mean, hey, it's working. There's the faster you guys can get the course, the faster you can learn, the faster you can study, the faster you can practice, the faster you can start to earn. So man, what are we waiting for? Let's drop it. It's 3/21/2023, and let's drop this course. IOTS, Price Action Trading System by JD Hyder. As always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Let's get it the rest of the year. I'm about to drop the course. Check the description.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhyder.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the sudden.